Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I greet you with your time. Guys, let's prepare this fried snacks together. I have 2 eggs. I just add 2 tablespoons of baking powder. So now I add sugar. I'm just going to mix everything together. After then, I will add my vanilla extra on this recipe. Yeah, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extra on the recipe, guys. After then, I mix before I stiff my flour. Keep on watching, guys. Here I am. I'm going to stiff my flour. It's very important to stiff flour so that it doesn't have the little bumps on the flour. So here I will keep on stir. Now I'm going to use my hand to mix this dough. So it's better with hand with this dough because it's a little bit thicker than normal cake. I just add my liquid milk. It's not much, a little bit go a long way. So I want to add the flavor of milk on this recipe. I am done with the dough, so I'm just going to cover for few minutes. Few minutes later, I'm going to roll the dough right now. So I just put it on the worst face so that it can be easy for me to roll. Keep on watching, guys. I just flood the wall surface to make it easy so that it doesn't stick on the rolling stick. So that's what I'm doing now, guys. Just be gently with the dough. So when I finish rolling, I will just cut the side and cut to my desired taste of size. Guys, if you watch me to this moment, I really appreciate. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment and share to friends and family. I continue the same process. Here is the size I will be going for. This is the size I will be going for. Not too big, not too small, just medium size, so that it doesn't absorb lot of oil when I'm going to fry the dough. I'm done with the cutting, so I'm just going to fry it now. It's on medium heat, guys. It don't need to be too hot, and when it's too hot it will get burn without done. So when it's too low it will absorb the oil. So medium heat is the perfect what you have to use on this recipe. So now it's already done. I'm going to remove it from the fire and continue the same process. Keep on watching, guys. We are done, guys. Look at it. It was very, very beautiful and tastes amazing. Thank you so much. Let's see what we have here. Look at it. Not too strong, not too soft. Thank you so much, guys. See you on my next video. Bye.